Uganda could not afford to give me shoes. I bought the shoes from a Kenyan friend and I won a gold medal.
If the minister cannot do it, let's get another minister. But you put the minister in somewhere where he is not bothered at all, apart from trouble. Sports needs innovation.
I even wonder what Global Cameroon is doing in that ministry, other than driving our car.
He's doing nothing. That shows the big problem with our planning in this country. I even try to look through the meaning of this word, Hakuna Michezo, that this is not the time for play. And that summarizes how we neglect sports. Because sports is about play. Now you start saying that Hakuna Michezo, this is all alone.
This is Kingdom TV.